Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, overall trend you have to see of gold that it is in the range. Okay, if you look at for around 4-5 years you will see that it is after 2020 we have seen it was in this range. Okay, and this range is quite volatile. Okay, but if you go beyond this particular zone, that means if we go beyond 2020 we will see that there are a lot of volatility we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, now what had happened after pandemic, that it was continuously moving upside because all the commodities have went down, and as soon as started recovering after pandemic there is a upside we have seen. Gold has made twice. See, this is the high, after that this is the profit booking zone. It came down, it was moving in a zone, and then high had made. After making this particular high, it has made high at this particular level also. Okay, and this is the high which is already being a weak a strong resistance, so chances was very high that it will make a bounce back. It went down again as a profit booking comes, and then it made a low of around 16-15. Keep that in mind that if the price comes close to this level, chances are very high it will fall further down. After that again it made a high and had crossed this particular level because this level is already being tested. Okay, that is where we have seen it has made a high, not much of a high, but yes, it went above a level of 2079 and made a high from 2083 further upside, but it didn't sustain, and that is where it moved down, and again a profit booking has come, and then it made a low of around $11. After that now again we have seen a similar pattern is forming. Okay, this similarities you have to understand. Okay, all these similar patterns are forming. This is from 2012 to 2020, this is from 2 years pattern, this is a 8 month pattern, and this is a very small pattern. A small pattern, that means 4-5 months pattern. Okay, and chances will be very high that it is trying to form the same pattern. And so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2056. Okay, and if the price goes above this particular level, chances of touch the level of $2047, chances are very high. If the price sustain, it will go towards a level of 2057, and from there it will go towards a level of $2063. Okay, this is the level. As soon as started sustaining this level, we will see it will go towards a 2063, and if the price move above that particular level, chances will be high that it will touch a level of around 2071. Okay, and once the price started going above a level of 2071, then it will go towards a level of $2074. Okay, and once started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. Understand something, this is the level where we have seen the price of gold is moving for so long. See, this is the zone. So once started going above this particular level, see, this is the zone where the price of gold is moving for quite some time. So okay, so as soon as it started going above a level of $2071, okay, chances will be very high it will cross this level, and a probability of going above a level of 2083 will be there, and yes, a chance of touching 2091 will be there, and it can touch a level of 2100 also. Okay, now understand. See, as you know that overall trend is upside, but suppose it form a swing, because you have to understand market is always uncertain. Some people might be thinking that it will go directly and make a new high. No, see the volatility. People might be, see, those who have put their SL, it might got hit and then it went upside. This is what people might be doing in gold. Okay, so remember, overall trend is upside, but always remember to set your quantity as per the risk, as per the volatility. Okay, this is two things you have to understand. So always try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, your capital will be saved, then you can take more of trades, and then winning is a probability. Okay, if you can save your capital, then you are in the race. If you are trailing your profit, you are doing the great thing. Okay, trailing your profit is very important, because see, if you have to sustain for a longer period of time, you can have to book your profit. Otherwise what will happen, you will not be able to book your profit, and then your capital can be wiped out. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2035, Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $2033 after 35, and if the price fall below that level, chances of touching a level of 2023 is there. Okay, and if the price started falling below 2023, we will see it will fall further low towards a level of $2012. Okay, and if started moving below that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2009. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we will see it will go further down towards a level of $2033, and from there a probability of touching a level of $2021 is there. Okay, now once the price started falling below 2021, chances of touching a level of 2019 will be there, and from there a level of 2014. Okay, as soon as started falling below 2014, chances of touching a level of 2011 will be there, and from there a further fall we can see, where it can go towards a level of below a level of 2000, because once it started going below a level of $2008, chances are very high it will fall below a level of $2000, and yes, a probability of going below a level of 2000, and then we can see it will go towards $1997, and then to a level of 1987. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. Okay, if the price fall below 2000, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.